Do this and I guarantee that you will feel so much lighter and brighter in yourself. All you have to do is follow along with me. So get ready to move. This is a little bit of Kundalini yoga and meditation with me, Kiran Jot. So the neutral mind is like a sum of the positive and the negative mind. Yeah? And this is what I wanted to say. We should be able to make a decision, any decision, within 9 seconds. You run it through your negative mind. What's the cons? You get a balanced view with what's the pros. Yeah? And then you go into that space of intuition, into that space of the neutral. You could also call it the meditative mind. And then you should have your answer. Should. I know should is sometimes not necessarily a helpful word. And don't get me wrong, there was one issue in my life that took me years to resolve. 9 seconds, my ass. It took me years. But that space of living in indecision, we call limbo or duality. And it's a very, very painful place to be. Because we also say in Kundalini Yoga that the first step to happiness is commitment. When you commit yourself 100%, to whatever it is that you've decided, then you're on the road, man. You're going. You're not looking back behind you, doubting yourself. You're like, no, I've decided. So just remind you, your intuition lives at your third eye. And it's like the instinct of the mind. I think of instinct as a bodily reaction. Your intuition is just when you know, through the space of through the more mental space. Instinct is the more the physical realm, the visceral reaction. So place your left hand, please, over your heart, and then your right hand is up. The finger is up like an aerial, the Jupiter finger. We're going to take a nice, long, slow inhalation through the nose, and then a very long, slow exhalation through the mouth with a whistle. With a whistle.
Establish your own breath rhythm. You don't have to follow mine. One more round of breath. We're going to stay sitting very still. We're going to switch the hands. So the right hand comes over your head like a blessing, and the left hand comes out with the index finger extended. Keep your eyes closed and your gaze at your third eye. And use the posture and this very high sound to exalt yourself. The hand is over your head like a blessing. Stay lifted through the posture. It's not for long. 1 minute. Thirty more seconds. Perfect your posture. Open-hearted. Yeah. Clear of mind. Use the sound. Whistling a sub to help clear that clutter in the subconscious. The clutter that's stopping you from being able to have that clarity to make the decisions that are true to you.
Yay! You did it, well done! Now before you scroll on, please place your hands over your heart, close your eyes and take a deep breath into that sweet spot within you. Take a mental picture of it, because the more you're aware of it, the easier it is to access. And of course, if you want to do more yoga and meditation with me, then all the links are below for you to join my live classes. It really is that easy. Take good care of yourselves. Sat Nam.